That's our project. We are going to complete this project, and I'm going to show you how to make this form. And we also use some basic thing of what is called free stock stock image, yeah, photo, and also search on Google. And I personally recommend use Pixel and Unsplash. Two site I personally recommend, always recommend. And also you can use Pixelpay, also good site. In my experience, okay. So we have to search, yeah, and technology, room, people, work, room, and what do you think about technology? And here uh, blogging picture, visual picture, and pretty much nice picture here available for you. Technology, business and work, and you can search any video and whatever you can like, just use it, okay. And I personally, okay, let's use that image. Uh, okay, I want to use that image. Use medium size is enough because we also think about that our image size, too much bigger size is not good for us. uh, okay, we must make a folder, what is now named sign up form. You can give whatever you can like, okay. I just love to give anything name. And we also need, okay, we also need file. This file name style.css, and another file we need HTML, okay. uh, index.html, and I just paste here our image. And I don't like long image, that's why bg underscore uh, email. I just give a standard name. And uh, if your operating system not show you this extension, like last extension like HTML, even last name, also CSS, but you have to go option, and you have chance to, here you go, and hidden files and folder. Here you can use show, and also use hide extension for non file extension here, okay, and apply and okay. Just give the idea, okay. And also text editor, you have to use Visual Studio Code. This is completely free, and Microsoft offer you, and great text editor, which is everyone love it. And also you have Sublime Text, Sublime Text, which is not free. I personally not recommend. I personally don't recommend, but which is really great. But this is not free. If this text editor free, I personally recommend you. Why you use paid text editor? I don't think so. And you have that brain text editor, which is really great. But I personally not recommend. Uh, so I always recommend Visual Studio Code, and you have also Notepad++. This code you don't need to use this huge text editor. You can also use Notepad++. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, 7 years ago, 12 years ago, still most famous text editor. But this day, no one cares because you have great alternative. That's why people don't like normal. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's get started. I is open with my code editor. Okay. That's great. We must first modify it. We just make this form. Uh, Simple form is not a big deal. Uh, I just use exclamation mark, and we just use simple HTML5 boilerplate. And form, I just use 5 character. I just name uh, geek education. Okay. And then we must use awesome font. I mean font icon, awesome font. I mean icon font. we must use icon font. It's awesome font. And search on Google awesome font 5 CDN link. Yeah, because I'm not use official link, I just use CDN. I found it what is called just copy and paste. I'm here copy, here on copy, and we just use here, just paste here, and then we also link our CSS file, include CSS, I mean our style sheet, and here you just use link mean link, and then rel mean relationship style sheet, and then we also use href meaning where your file, okay, which folder or something like that, dot and a slash here, and now we have style sheet, and then just angle bracket, and that's it. Now our time to use our we must be work on our uh, form, okay. uh, oh okay, and we must give the name first container. Oh no, sorry. We must use first div mean division, okay, and we give the class name form container, okay. And you also love to I always recommend use comment, which is really helpful for clean, and then you have to use uh, form, and you just use s2 element sign up, okay. You must use div and form group, okay. Form will just use div, okay. You can use, well, you can give whatever you can like name, okay. Okay, sorry, I took a little bit time. And then you have to use label for name, because it is the username. User, oh no, we don't use input. Text, we have to use text, okay. Name, you can use name, and ID also name, and placeholder is enter name. This we also use icon font. We also use awesome font, so we need icon. So what can I do? We must visit awesome font site, okay. Search on Google and visit font awesome, and search on icon, okay. It's take a little bit time, and then you need user, and you found the icon, and that's our icon. We must use that icon. Okay, you have to you have your own choice. You can use any icon, whatever icon like. That's your personal choice. But you must use any font, any icon. But you are here on testing purpose, right? Okay, and I don't want wasting time here. And we must give the name. I mean class name. What is user uh, username? And then label, we must use icon, here's the icon, and copy and paste. I'm here on here, and use this user, and I just here copy on here. I just copy and then paste here, okay. And I just want to just copy and paste here, okay. And I just want to give name, class name, okay. Class name mail, and it could be email, also email, email, also email. right? Hopefully it's work. And then email. Yeah, we must use icon is changed, which is called mail icon. I must use this icon, okay? And here just copy, okay? And here just paste, okay? And then I just love to use unlock and type password. Password, 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 also password, okay? And then we must use next. I just, oh, oops, I'm not use font icon here, and sorry, a little bit of time. Okay, oh, sorry, this is called here, and this is lock. And finally, the, sorry, we must copy and paste here. And you don't need any class here new, and we don't need label. We just need type submit, and we don't need anything, just give value and submit, okay? Or sign up, that's it. What about our result? Oh, you must use, I personally recommend you must use that extension, what is called live server. You must use that server, and it's not necessary, but you must use it, okay? And I'm here on open with live server, and I want to see the result. Oh, it's nothing fancy, it's look horrible, but it's okay. For we just use only HTML, we are not use any CSS structure. We are not use any CSS structure, right? That's why it's look horrible, okay? Now time to use CSS. uh, time to use CSS, and that's how, okay, time to use CSS. We just use common convention, okay? Common convention meaning, okay, I want to show you how to use Google font. You search on Google and Google font. Search on Google, that's Google font, okay? Google font really powerful, many people love it, okay? That's why I just want to share how to use it. And we are use regular font, and I personally love 500, okay? And then here embed, and we have also chance to use import, okay? You also use anything, whatever you can, like link also use import, or whatever you can, both are same, it's not different. And then we just use star meaning universal selector, okay? Star meaning universal selector, okay? Margin 0 and padding 0. You have default some margin padding, that's why we are trying to reset it, okay? Box sizing, border box, okay? Okay, and now we are going to use body, and this font family, okay? Here I will show you interesting. Here you go, font family Roberto and sans serif, right? I just copy here and paste here, okay? Okay, I just want to paste here, okay? And then font height, which is really font height 1.6, which is really important. Background, which is pretty much interesting, okay? Background URL, we are download, okay, from stock free image, this image, and then you must also use no repeat, which is default background size. Where from? Okay, background size cover, height 100 ph, 100 ph, and okay, I want to see the result. What will happen? Oh, this is our final set. Okay, a little bit pretty girls here. We must use little bit blurry, what is called backdrop. Okay, backdrop filter and blur. I think whatever 4 pixel. I don't know. You have to use your. Oh yeah, that's fine. No one. This is called. uh, okay, before and use content. This is common convention. Position absolute, and then 0 left minus 24 minus 25%, and then with pixel and also height, and 100%, and background color. Background color I need help, sorry guys. We need to inspect and then just touch here, and here you go. I just love to copy and paste, which is time saving. Okay, this color we are just copy and pasting in opacity, which is called transparent. And okay, I want to see the result, how it look like. Oh, it's not actually perfectly you can see anything, but we're not completing anything, just right now we're starting. And we're here, what's called form container, okay. Position absolute, position absolute, and top 50%, then left 25%, then translate. There are many options you have. Scale, skew, yeah, translate. Minus 50 is minus 50%, and minus 50%, which is rules, and you have to make so just like margin auto and centering your position. But this day you have to found flexbox grid, which is really helpful. You don't necessarily to use only that method. Okay. Width you have to use 400 pixels, but it's standard size. Okay. And padding, which is really important for me, 50 pixel. That's too much. Okay. And background also very important. Background, which is really important, FFF meaning white, and yeah, which is called box shadow. Box shadow is really important, 15 pixel and 15 spreading, and RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1.5, which is give us nice. Other, I just want to show. Okay, that's our result. Which is not bad. We're not complete anything, just start working. Okay, and then same thing, form container is 2. This form container meaning this guys and h2, and first we are say hello Mr. form container, then say hello Mr. h2, and then we say hey, your color is 777, and then say hey, margin you're just bottom, and you just use, oh, it's too much, 30 pixel. I want to see the result. Yeah, it's not bad. And then we have to use same thing. I just copy and paste container and form group, this one form group, and then this one input. We don't need to, this is not text, this is direct tag, not class. That's why we don't use any dot or hash symbol. Okay, and we just use a parenthesis, then width 100%, then font size. We also want M or rem, but we don't use, we just use standard size pixel. Pixel meaning absolute. Okay, border none, which is standard, and also border bottom. Border bottom pixel solid, and color hash 3.3, and a little bit gray outline none, and padding 15 pixel, padding left pixel, font weight. I don't know font weight, what I use. Yeah, and 500. Okay, you must use 500. 500, little bit bold. Okay, 7 this is color code, and margin bottom 12 pixel. Okay, I don't know what about the result. Wow, this look good. Perhaps its descent is not much good, but it's okay. Descent, right? And now, oh my gosh, I'm tired. Now we just here copy and paste here, and just using to focus, comma, and shift alt and down. What's called valid, and same thing. Bottom 2 pixel solid, and yeah, our text editor help us. Okay, this look good, not bad. Okay, and finally we must use this called submit button. Okay, so what can I do? The simple convention, we must use that. What's the form container, and then yeah, from group, and then input. Okay, and here we go, we just copy and paste here, and then just say margin top 10 or 30 pixel, border none, and cursor, which is our mouse cursor, and background. I just use background, this color 93. Okay, our text editor help us. Color FFF white, text align, center. Yeah, it's fine, I think so. Okay, what do you think? It's okay, we just realign our icon. That's it, right? Okay, just wait. Okay, we need also hover, which is look good if we use hover. Just use hover, right? And I think we use opacity 0.9. Okay, oh, it's fine. So time to come, we just use align our font icon. It's little bit 1 2 3 4, but 4 icon, we must use 4, and positioning. Okay, which is really, I think here is the best place. So I want to see our HTML. This is a label, we just use a name, right? What is called form. You also use direct form, okay? And then you have to use what is called username, right? And dot user, oh, sorry, dot username. I just want to show you everything because you have to understand how does it work, right? That's why this is really important, which is called position. Okay, position related. You have to understand how position work, and then you automatically understand. You don't need to big deal. Okay, and then we also use, just wait, from container. Okay, from container, and then you fa. This is f, this class. Okay, f user. uh, we must use position absolute, and then top 15 pixel left, a little bit 5 pixel, and hello. What was the result? Oh, why it's not working? Oh, sorry guys, because this is not I made little mistake. Here we go. And I'm sorry guys, because I made selecting mistake. This is called selecting mistake. Okay, what do you think now? Okay, don't worry, we must use inspect element. Now we see the result, and there's our oh, why, what's the problem? Oh, sorry guys, I'm not using, oh, I made mistake here. I'm not using semicolon, that's why I made this typing mistake. Yeah, oh, it's a little bit too much. I don't want to use 15. What about 14? Okay, you have to use your own because sometimes mess up, right? uh, I think it's fine. Okay, and then we must, okay, just a little bit comment helpful. uh, icon font position, uh, okay, and I would say copy and paste, which is helpful. Perhaps you don't like it. Now I just copy basic thing, which is name mail. Okay, class name mail, and similar position absolute, and then you have to love it, and here this container, and here this envelope. Okay, and just similar, not different, just copy and paste. I'm copying pasting because I don't want take too much time, which is you don't like much more time. That's why I do that. That's not my mistake. If I said okay, it took more time, okay, I do that because people hate long time. Okay, I think what about 15? But this depend on your positioning. I think here on 15 is nice. Okay, and also I do similar work. Here this container and uh, unlock. Okay, I just copy and paste. I just also show you that. And here the same thing, we just use container, what is called name, Okay, FA unlock. I here and copy and paste here. FA unlock and same, much similar. Okay, much similar. It's not a big deal. I just copy and paste this one and just this one. Okay, and we show the result. Okay, it's look good. Okay, just much similar, and just copy and paste here, and which is lock. Okay, this is lock and this is lock. What about the result? Oh, okay, it's a little bit good, not bad. I think so. That's our final complete project, which is really helpful for you guys, and you guys love it. And I just want to share with you everything because I think I took too much time, which is people don't like taking too much time. So hopefully I will give you more, share with you guys more beautiful video for you, and I'll teach you more and more. And I want to share with you guys more videos. And you have to also use little bit padding. You have to know uh, where is it? Okay, padding. You have to try uh, 20 pixel. Just show the result. If you work here, you must work on icon also. So it's a little bit lengthy. I don't say that, but it's depend on you. But if you work more, your work more good. Okay, so I said of course you can do that because that's make you practice make you perfect. That's why I say that. Okay, I just testing how you can use uh, geek education, enter your password, testing testing mail.com and your password, blah blah blah. You just design a nice form. Okay, so if you think I'm or the my tutorial is helpful for you, and I also say please subscribe my channel, or what is called Geek Education. uh, and thank you for watching this video. Next, okay, many thanks for watching this video. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.